Crunchy, munchy, dry fruit sounds. Stamp your feet and turn around. It's snack time fun for everyone. Healthy treats are all around. Almond, crunchy bite gives us power, strong and bright. Crack it, snack it, chew it slow. Almond helps our brains to grow. Cashew, 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 curved and sweet. Yummy, yummy, what a treat. Jump and run the whole day through. Cashew gives us energy too. Blanks, 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 blanks. Dates as dates, soft and brown. Nature's candy from the ground. Sweet and chewy, oh so nice. Dates give strength in every bite. Raisins, 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 tiny and round. Dancing raisins jump around. Full of goodness, small but great. Raisins make us feel first rate. Walnut, walnut looks like brain. Makes us clever once again. Crunchy, crunchy, crack it wide. Walnuts keep us smart inside. Plantain figs on. Figs if figs, purple and sweet. Soft and tasty, fun to eat. Happy tummy, feeling light. Figs make everything just right. Almond, cashew, dates so sweet. Raisins, walnuts, yum to eat. Figs are fun, dry fruits, hooray.